8 and 8 cancels out each other, leaves us with 8 divided by 8, which equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, if you have multiplication and division present in an expression as we have here, we must work from left to right. They both have same priority, but we must work from left to right. So in this expression, if you notice, we have division and multiplication operators present, and in between we have a fraction present too. So we know they have equal priority, but we must work from left to right. So let's solve this part first. 8 divided by 8 over 8. We can simply use KCF rule here. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep the 8 as it is. Change means we change the sign to multiplication from division, and flip means we flip the fraction. It's 8 over 8, so flip doesn't matter because we have 8 in both numerator and denominator, and we have times 8 available from the original expression. Now 8 and 8 cancels out each other, leaving us with 8 times 8, and 8 times 8 equals 64, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.